Hi guys, I'm Jessie of Crochet by Jessie. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through what I think should be your summer crochet make list. This list is going to consist of a bunch of patterns which I've seen which are quite high up on my list for when I eventually do a project that's not my own creation, because truthfully I do love doing a lot of my own makes. However, some of these are so beautiful and they've been on my list for a little while, or they're ones that I'm really excited that are going to be released in the coming months. So with that all being said, let's get into today's video. The first on my list, I feel like if you crochet and you watch anything crochet related, you're going to know Mrs. Moonheaven, aka Jada, and Jada's recently released a summer halter top, which is absolutely beautiful. I myself have been watching some of the videos where she's been like developing the pattern. I follow her on social media, so I've been watching the progress of all of this and seeing it get released, and I think it is such a beautiful piece because it will go with nearly anything, and the colour that she made hers in, which is like this really gorgeous hot pink, is beautiful. But you can make more basic ones. You can do them in black or white or cream or like a brown or tan colour, and then it won't necessarily be as much of a feature for an outfit, but it will be like one of the basics and essentials that you could have in your wardrobe for summertime. And yeah, I think it looks absolutely stunning. It's somewhat simplistic, but at the same time it's executed so well that it just looks flawless. The reason I think I like this design so much is because I feel like it would be one of those designs that you keep making and you kind of want one in every colour by the end of it. And I really love projects like that because, I mean, they're great for yourself and your crochet wardrobe, but then they're also great as gifts for other people's wardrobes for summertime. So yeah, I feel like it's a really versatile pattern. There's so much you can do with it. So yeah, that's definitely going to be quite high up on my list for if I do get around, if I'm not busy designing and just making loads of other random things during summer, I'd love to make this top. The next pattern, which I have absolutely fallen in love with, it's by In Stitches by Martha, and it is the Glasto mesh dress. I have wanted to do a dress for a while. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen a very failed mini series of making a dress, because after part 6 of it, I realised I didn't like how the dress was looking, and then I flogged the whole thing. So I really like the look of this dress. I love the mesh effect, the fact that you'll have like you'll have most of an outfit underneath, but you will just wear that over something. I think it's amazing for festivals. I think it's really summery, and just all the different colour options that you can do, because if you were to do one in black or white, it would also be like a really nice beach cover-up dress at the same time. But then if you do a really vibrant colour, whether it's neons, dual colours, anything like that, I feel that's more very festively, if that's a word, in my mind. And yeah, I think it's an absolutely beautiful design, and yeah, I think that will be an amazing make. Because it's mesh as well, I do think it will work up a lot quicker than other dress designs, so I feel like that's another benefit of it as well. For some of these next designs, I just want to say bear in mind, I'm trying to pronounce it properly, but I have this kind of inability sometimes when it comes to pronouncing, especially if I've not physically heard it being said before. So the next pattern, it is not going to be a wearable, it's actually an accessory, specifically a bag. And I've been looking at this bag and other bags by this creator for quite a long time. The creator is by Galk, and it is the egg bag. I think it's really pretty, and I think crochet bags are a really fun chance to have something in your wardrobe that you're going to use loads, but then it's kind of like a statement piece, but also at the same time like not an in-your-face statement piece, if you guys get what I mean. Because I do feel like crochet sometimes can have the tendency to be very like pow, bam, and you're like really clocking on it. And that is great depending on if you want that effect. But if you want a statement piece that is also a little bit more subtle, then I really think her bags are absolutely amazing for this. I really want to try it myself because the fact that you use like t-shirt yarn and thicker yarn for it is very different to what I typically use, because I'm like a cotton / acrylic girl, so it would be way thicker, which I think is lovely because then your project will work up a lot quicker. The overall stitch is going to look so different in comparison to a lot of the projects that I do. And yeah, I feel like it'd be really fun. You could have these in lots of different colours as well. And yeah, I feel like whenever you're doing kind of like a summer wardrobe with crochet, you do need to have a few bags in there. This next pattern, it's not released yet, and it is currently, I think the testers have literally been chosen as of today, the day that I'm filming, but because it is so beautiful, I want you guys to have it on your radar well in advance to the actual pattern being released. The pattern that I am referring to is the Malou Maxi by Lululemon. I hope I have said that right. If I haven't, then I am very sorry, but that's what I think it is. And this skirt, guys, it is so beautiful. I have been seeing it all over social media and I cannot get it out of my head. It is so stunning. I've only seen it in a whitey cream colour so far because that's the colour that she's made and that she's been putting out on social media. She's done her testicle and I think it's really going to do insanely well, to be honest. So yeah, you guys really do need to keep this on your radar. Hopefully it's going to be released in the coming months, which will make it the perfect time to kind of get it done in summer. And yeah, I feel like it's going to be a total star of the show when it comes to whatever outfit you wear, because it is going to be such a feature piece, but it looks so classy and refined. And I honestly think whatever colour you use, you're still going to have that sense of class with it, which I think is just so beautiful with certain designs. So yeah, this one, I've been really thinking about this one quite a lot, and hopefully you guys are going to be thinking about it too. The next design, which I think you guys should have on your summer crochet make list, is actually one of my own. So I thought I might as well tell you guys a little bit more about my top, which as of this video has been released. As of filming, it's being released tomorrow. And that is the Tesserae top. I'm really happy with this top. I think it's so summery, but a little bit different from what you guys would probably already have in your crochet wardrobe. The reason for that is because it is mosaic crochet. I'm a mosaic crochet girly through and through. If you've been following me on YouTube for a while now, you'll see there's a lot of tutorials, a lot of crochet hacks, beginner tutorials, how to make your own mosaic crochet design. There's a lot on here. I would probably say it's my biggest playlist at this stage. And yeah, 2025 has been the year of working into mosaic crochet wearables, because that is an area I have not gone into until this year. So this pattern, it is, I would say, potentially go through my beginner tutorials just to gain like the basics. I've got a beginner's tutorial and then a tutorial for how to work in the round. I think once you've watched both of them, you're going to absolutely smash through this pattern. And I love it because of all the different colours that you can use for it. I'm going to put a few of my testers up on here now just to show you guys. But all of the colour combinations you can use really gives you a different feel based on what kind of vibe you want. So the same design can have so many different kind of vibes, and yeah, I just feel like there's so much you can do with it, and I really like it when you have a pattern design that feels very different with different colorways, even though it's the same thing. So yeah, I'm really proud of this one. So hopefully this is going to be something as well that you guys want to make this summer. I am really proud of that design, so hopefully it is something you guys are going to want to make this summer. And I will say it does take a little bit longer than any kind of traditional crochet top because of the style of crochet. But in my opinion, I think it's well worth it, and my testers have been saying the same thing, so hopefully you guys will agree with that too. The next pattern is another top. It is called the Aurora top, and it's by Stitched by Emma. And guys, this one, for me, I love it when you have crochet pieces that, I know it's called obviously Aurora, but for me, it gives modern day crochet princess vibes. And I just love the aesthetic of that. It's a beautiful top. It's not as cropped as some of like the other ones that I'm going to be suggesting in this video, but I just think it's so beautiful. And you have summer days, especially if you live in the UK like I do, that aren't completely summery and they're a little bit colder. And I feel like this top is absolutely perfect for that. I absolutely love the colours. I just think it's so stunning. And yeah, I feel like it's one of those ones again where you'd want to have it in quite a few different colours, and it will probably take a little bit longer to work up than some of my other suggestions. Obviously minus the maxi cardi, that will probably take the longest. But I think it's really beautiful and just, again, very classy, very, very sleek and elegant overall as a design. The next pattern that I'm going to be talking about is actually a video tutorial, which is a step-by-step through of the whole process. And it's one that I did myself about a year ago, I want to say. It's one of my first videos that I did, and it is the Eye Tote Bag. I don't know if it's just me, but I really love the Evil Eye. I think it's really beautiful. I have quite a few different Evil Eye things, whether it's a bracelet and earrings and obviously the bag now. And for me, I think obviously you have the luck and the protection that is symbolized with it, but I also think of it just being, it feels exotic, and it's from places where I go on holiday. I see it everywhere, and because of that I love it, and I think it's perfect for summer when it comes to holidays, and also just encapsulating that feeling of being on holiday even if you're at home in the UK or wherever you guys live. So I really like this top. I would say it's fairly beginner friendly, and because I go through everything step by step and you get to see it visually, I feel like it will be a lot easier to follow even if you are in the more earlier stages of your crochet journey. So yeah, again, as I said earlier, bags are a must-have for your summer wardrobe, what you want to crochet. So that is the second one that I'm giving for you guys for this video. The final two pattern ideas I'm going to be giving you guys, they're both YouTube tutorials, they're both free of charge, and they are both by Lennys Crochet. The first one is the crochet buttercup top. I think it is so beautiful. I love the colours that she used for the tutorial and just the whole talk through and everything of it. I think it's such a beautiful design and it is going to be a staple in your wardrobe. I think again, it's definitely one of those ones where it's the feature of the outfit, but based on the colour that you use, it still has kind of a subtlety to it. And I really like including video tutorials for ideas because I know there's a lot of visual learners out there. And I also love the fact that it is a free pattern, of course, as well. So yeah, I definitely recommend that pattern to do this summer. As well as that, she also has the crochet shell vest top, which I have seen quite a lot of people like reposting on her social media about it. And I definitely think it's quite a popular one. People really enjoy it and for a good reason because it is so pretty. So I think this one would work up relatively quickly as well because based on the stitching and the type of stitch and pattern you're going for, it is quite a gappy, nice effect, which obviously works up a lot quicker than doing solid, small stitches and quite a lot of them. And yeah, this one also has a video tutorial. I really like her tutorials. I think they're so chilled and relaxed, and that can be perfect for a tutorial. Sometimes people don't want it to be quite as intense as it can be. So I feel like it just fits the vibe perfectly. And yeah, I absolutely love her designs. So that is it for all of the patterns and designs that I think should be on your summer crochet make list. I've tried my best to include a mixture of charged as well as free patterns, written patterns as well as video tutorial patterns, and ones that are of different skill levels so that everyone has an option. I have really enjoyed just looking through and just kind of confirming the stuff that I absolutely love, which I would make and that I think you guys should make as well. And these are some really amazing creators. I really recommend following them all on social media because their content is beautiful, what they create is beautiful as well, and I absolutely love it as another crocheter, just looking at the beauty and the different styles of designs that people do. And yeah, I just feel like it's so fun because you can just see all the different aspects of crochet in the crochet community, which is just so much fun. Thank you guys so much as always for watching my video, and if you're not subscribed then please do consider doing so, as well as pressing the bell to be notified when my next video is up.